Hey everyone, SS Vision here. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the knife tool in Affinity. First, let's make a square we'll use for our cuts. Select it, and while holding Shift, make a straight and clean cut. You can also make a freehand cut by holding the left mouse button. With the right arrow key and the slash key, you can remove the fill color, a quick and handy shortcut. When you hover over the lines, you'll see a small scissor icon. That's used to cut paths and create openings in your shape. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out from SS Vision.